Wait, before you scroll past, something important is trying to reach you. If you're seeing this video, it's not a coincidence. And if you turn away now, you might miss the very confirmation you've been waiting for. Because today's energy is different. The vibration you're stepping into carries a powerful message. You are going to be a millionaire, and the universe, the divine, whatever name you feel most connected to, is already preparing the way. Don't scroll. Stay with this. Let your spirit hear what your mind has been doubting. Because somewhere right now, someone just like you was guided to this exact message, and they chose to listen. 1 week later, they received an unexpected check. Not from a job, not from a favor, but from a shift they couldn't explain. A refund, a grant, a gift, a yes where they only expected silence. That's how it begins. A whisper, a ripple, a signal from the divine that says, "You've waited long enough, you've done the inner work, you've struggled silently, now it's your turn." Maybe you've been asking, when is it my time? Maybe the bills are louder than your dreams right now. Maybe you've been doing everything right, but nothing moves. But the truth is, divine timing doesn't follow human logic. It follows alignment. And right now you are entering alignment with abundance, wealth, and complete financial rebirth. This is your confirmation. And if this message is touching something deep inside you, something that says, yes, this is for me, take a breath. Feel into that energy. And if you feel guided, comment something powerful like, "I am open to receive this blessing now." Your comment becomes a declaration to the universe, a spark that sends your energy into motion. And if you want this wave of energy to keep spreading, help this video reach more souls who are silently praying for a sign just like this. Click the like button, share it with someone who believes in magic, and help amplify the reach of this divine message. Let's fill the YouTube space with more light, more belief, more miracles. This isn't just a video, it's a transmission. A frequency meant to unlock something in you, that feeling you have right now, the tingles, the emotion, the knowing, that's your soul saying, "This is the moment I've been waiting for." There's a shift happening all across the planet. People are waking up to their worth. They're realizing money isn't evil, but ignoring your calling isn't. They're breaking the patterns of fear, scarcity, and guilt, and stepping into lives where they get paid for their gifts, their joy, and their purpose. Maybe you felt the resistance inside you. That tug of, am I really worthy of millions? But let me ask you this. Why not you? Why not now? Take Alyssa, for example. She's from a small town in Montana, raised in a modest household, working 2 jobs just to make ends meet. She never saw a millionaire in real life. She never imagined it was a possibility until she started tuning into messages like this. She made a promise to herself. No more doubt. I'm choosing to believe even if I don't see it yet. Within 6 months, Alyssa wasn't working 2 jobs anymore. She was running her own business, fully funded, completely self-owned, and making 6 figures from home. She didn't win the lottery. She shifted her energy. She opened the door that said, "I'm no longer available for a life that keeps me in survival." And you're standing at that same door right now. It doesn't matter where you're from, what your current balance says, or how many mistakes you've made. Wealth is not reserved for the perfect. It's reserved for the aligned. And today, you're in alignment. The divine wants you to hear this loud and clear. I have not forgotten you. I have seen your tears, and I am orchestrating a turnaround beyond anything you've dared to imagine. But here's the twist. Your financial miracle won't always look like you expect. Sometimes it's a thought you act on, a person who crosses your path, a delayed no that makes room for a better yes. Sometimes it's a video like this, showing up at just the right time. This is not just a feel-good message, it's an energetic shift. Right now, there's a wave of energy on Earth that's opening wealth gates for those who are ready to believe before they see. If that's you, you're already in the current. You see, wealth is not something you chase, it's something you attract by tuning your frequency. Millionaires don't just think differently, they feel differently. They walk into rooms with the energy of someone who has already received. Not entitled, but certain. Not arrogant, but divinely confident. Not in need, but in flow. Today, you are being asked to shift from need to readiness, from waiting to receiving, from hoping to knowing. Speak this out loud. I am ready, I am wealthy, I am chosen for financial freedom. Breathe. Say it again, but slower, not to convince the universe, but to remind yourself, because the truth is, the universe doesn't give wealth to the loudest voice. It gives it to the clearest channel. And your clarity is increasing right now. A few days ago, someone named Marcus watched a video just like this one. He didn't scroll away. He felt something shift in his chest, as if he was finally being spoken to directly. He didn't know how or when it would happen, but he trusted. That same night, he decided to invest in his idea. Within 72 hours, his first online course made more money than his last 3 paychecks combined. Coincidence? Or alignment? Your story is waiting for that shift too. Millionaire energy isn't about working harder. It's about unlocking dormant energy that's already within you. Energy that says, I am safe to receive. I am worthy of overflow. I am a channel for abundance. And right now you are being reminded, not by me, not by a screen, but by a force greater than you and I. Call it God. Call it the divine. Call it universal intelligence. It doesn't matter what label you choose, because the energy behind it is speaking one thing. You will be a millionaire, and you're closer than you think. So let's keep the energy flowing. Drop a comment with your declaration. Something as simple as, I'm ready, I receive, it is done. Hit the like button if you feel the vibration of this message, and help send this energy to someone else who's asking the same question you were. Let's lift this video up so the YouTube algorithm shows it to the people silently praying for a sign. Together, we become the channel through which light flows. And if this is your first time here on Cosmic Vibes, welcome. This isn't just a channel, it's a frequency, a field of alignment where spiritual truth meets real-life transformation. So subscribe, stay with us. You'll always find confirmation here when your soul needs it most. You're not here by accident. And if something in your heart whispered, this message is for me, then don't ignore it. Follow that knowing. Honor that calling. Your millionaire timeline is activating, and the very fact that you're still watching, still here, still listening, is the ultimate proof that you're in alignment. Stay open, stay elevated, and always remember, the universe speaks in signs. This video was one of them. Now let's make sure it reaches everyone who's meant to hear it.
You've already said yes?
Now just watch how the blessings start showing up. You are ready. You are chosen. You are becoming a millionaire. And it's already done. Let it in. Let it happen. Let it be.